Barretts, buckle up! We're learning our ABCs! Big truck style!
Let's roll! Big truck rolling down the road.
A to Z,
Here we go.
honk the horn!
Beep, beep, beep.
Learning letters with the Barrett family.
A is for Axel, spinning round and round.
B is for bridge.
Way up over town.
C is for cargo that we haul all day.
D is for diesel, fill it up.
Hooray!
E is for engine, hear it rumble and roar.
F is for freeway.
Let's find some more.
Big truck rolling down the road.
A to Z,
Here we go.
honk the horn.
Beep, beep, beep.
Learning letters with the Barrett family.
G is for
Gas station.
time to take a break.
H is for highway.
And the miles we make.
I is for indicator.
Blinking left and right.
J is for journey.
Morning through the night.
K is for keys.
That start us up. Vroom.
L is for load.
There's plenty of room.
Big truck rolling down the road.
A to Z,
Here we go.
honk the horn.
Beep, beep, beep.
Learning letters with the Barrett family.
M is for mirror so we see behind.
N is for navigation, so the road we find.
O is for overpass, ducking down low.
P is for parking when it's time to go slow.
Q is for quiet zone. Shh, Brian. Shh.
R is for rest stop.
Stretch and swish.
Daddy, how much farther?
Just a few more letters, baby girl.
S is for seatbelt.
Click it every time.
T is for truck.
The star of this rhyme.
U is for U-turn.
Spin it all the way.
V is for vroom.
That's what engines say.
W is for wheels.
X marks the spot.
Y is for yield. And Z, we forgot.
Z is for zoom.